Okay everyone, welcome to Dr. Shaurav's classes. Now look at this question. This question is from the Chinese Mathematical Olympiad examination. So today we will solve this question and we will discuss about all the logics, all the concepts behind this question. Okay, so let's come to the question first. Question says 6 points are chosen on the sides of an equilateral triangle ABC. A1, A2 on BC, B1, B2 on CA and C1, C2 on AB. These points are the vertices of a convex hexagon A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 with sides of the equal length. Now prove that the lines A1, B2, B1, C2 and C1, A2 are concurrent. Okay. So basically we have an equilateral triangle ABC and the points are A1, A2 on BC, B1, B2 on CA and C1, C2 on AB. So this form a convex hexagon, that is A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2. So all these sides are equal and we must prove A1, B2, B1, C2 and C1, A2 are concurrent, that is meet at one point. Okay. Now students, when they whenever you see like the equilateral triangle and the equal lengths and symmetry, then rotation is coming. Okay, so in an equilateral triangle, 180-degree rotation about the center maps, A maps B, B to C and C to A. Now imagine rotating the whole figure by 120 degree. Then what happens? Side BC becomes CA. So A1, A2 will be the points on CA. And that means A1 is B1 and A2 goes to B2. So similarly, right? So the hexagon is not random. It is generated by rotating one segment twice. This means the whole configuration is perfectly rotationally symmetric. Perfectly rotationally symmetric. Okay. Now look at line A1, B2. Apply 120-degree rotation. So A1, B2 is B1, C2. Now apply again B1, C2 is C1, A2. So the three lines are rotations of each other. Now think, one line passes through some special point P. Then after the rotation, image of P must also lie on the rotated line, right? But the rotation keeps the center fixed. So the only possible common point is the center of the rotation. Thus all three lines A1, B2, B1, C2, C1, A2 are symmetric under 120-degree rotation. Hence they must intersect at the same fixed point, right? So the lines A1, B2, B1, C2 and C1, A2 are concurrent. And the concurrency point is the center of the rotation of the triangle. Okay. Now equilateral triangle means always think about the rotation. Okay. And equal lengths means the hidden symmetry, and concurrency often comes from the transformations as well, like rotation, reflection and all. Okay. So students, when geometry gives you 6 random points, don't panic, just rotate the problem. Sometimes the solution is literally just a different angle, right? So we have just finished a beautiful question from the Chinese Mathematical Olympiad. So in the next session, we will solve more questions from these examinations, okay, and that will be very much beneficial for you. And I hope this particular question and the logics and the concepts behind these questions are clear to you. If you still have any kind of doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible I can. Okay, so we will meet at the next session with a new question of the Chinese Mathematical Olympiad. Till then, keep learning and keep growing with only Dr. Shoros's classes. Bye bye guys, take care, and we will meet at the next session for sure. Bye bye.